Hi everyone. So today we've come on a little new adventure. We were going to a place we've been before, but we got sidetracked by a little footpath sign at the side of the road, so we thought we'd try somewhere new. Our aim for today was to really have a picnic and sit by a stream, to be honest.
But it is a stream here, so...
We found a river. Well, it's a river.
It's a river.
So we found a whole river instead. I'll show you what we found. Yeah, so we found this lovely spot here, just off the road, so we are going to chill here today.
Yeah.
Water feels amazing. It's such a lovely day to be splodging in here. So I'm heading over to the island to have a picnic. So we thought we'd have it in the middle of the river. Why not? So let's go. Come for a nice little walk down the river to see if we can find any more spots that we can sit at. Just really enjoying our morning really. So yeah, see where our little path takes us. So we've come further down the river and we found this beauty of a place. So we're going to stay here for a little while, aren't we? Thanks for joining us today on another random adventure. We've really enjoyed it, so see you again on the next video.